In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert audio in Google Slides. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to bring sound into your presentation by adding a video that contains the audio you want to play. This approach works well across devices and keeps everything inside Slides. First, open Google Chrome and make sure you're signed into your Google account. Being signed in ensures you can access your files and save changes without interruptions. Next, open Google Slides. In the top right corner of your browser, click the Google Apps icon, the grid of small dots, and choose Slides. Once Slides loads, click blank to create a new presentation. Give your presentation a clear title so it's easy to find later. Naming files right away helps keep your drive organized. With your slide open, go to the top menu and click Insert. You may see options for both audio and video here. In this guide, we'll use a video source to carry the audio, so choose video. A dialog box will appear with 3 ways to add your source. You can search YouTube directly, paste a specific YouTube URL, or select a video stored in your Google Drive. Pick the option that matches where your audio-enabled video lives. Browse to the video you want, click it to highlight your choice, and then click Select or Insert. Slides will place the video onto your slide. Don't worry about perfect placement yet. You can resize and reposition it easily. Drag the corners to adjust size without distorting it and move it to a spot that won't distract from your content. If you prefer the audio to play while keeping the slide clean, you can make the video smaller and tuck it near a corner. With the video selected, check the playback settings in the Format or Options panel. You can choose to have it play on click or automatically when the slide opens, adjust volume, and decide whether it should stop when you change slides. These settings help you control exactly how and when your audio is heard. Now test your setup. Click Present, navigate to the slide, and play the video to confirm the audio comes through clearly. If you're using a YouTube link, make sure you'll have internet access during your presentation. If the video is in Drive, confirm you have permission to play it on the device you'll present from. And that's it. By inserting a video that contains the audio you want, you've added sound to your Google Slides presentation in a way that's engaging, flexible, and easy to manage.